Recently did some more shopping on Walmart because their fall winter pieces are so good this season, like so good. And I love a good bargain, and I feel like Walmart is the place to go because the quality of the items that I've gotten recently have been so good and really great, like expensive looks for less. So I have a really good range of products in today, expensive looks for less, some flannels, some more holiday themed things. It's gonna be really good. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you don't miss any of the items. And then like always, I will have everything linked down below in the description box so you easily can shop the complete looks that I have shared in today's video. And just a little tidbit, it seems like Walmart items are selling out quicker. So if you see an item that you love and it's in stock, I would recommend jumping on it. With that being said, let's get started. So I got word that the Walmart men's flannels were amazing. So I found this one. It's just under $20. Oh my goodness. Go add this to your cart right now. This is going to be like a fall winter closet staple. So I love this like so much more than the women's because of the fit. It's really nice and long. Also, this has a hood. It's available in sizes extra small through 3XL. I did go ahead and go with size small, and I love the fit of it. It's kind of like an oversized fit, probably like how a woman's medium or large would fit on me. So my suggestion would be go with your true to size and you'll get that oversized fit naturally. So it's this really nice, soft, 100% cotton material. It does have drawstrings up here, 2 functional pockets. I love this hunter green and black combination. It comes in probably 3 or 4 other colors, and I have it paired with a tank top and then my favorite Walmart jeans. I mean, some people say skinny jeans are out, but I still love them and I think they look great on everyone. That's the cool thing about fashion, is you can make it your own, do what you like. So this one is, I love the wash. I've had this pair for probably like 3 years now, and they wash and wear so well. They're really nice and flattering. I love the color. They do come in more color options. They have functional pockets in the back and the front, and they're a great length. They run true to size, and then I just have them paired with my favorite new booties from Walmart. These are a Western style. They have a nice heel on them, a flattering pointed toe. They're an easy slide on style. They run true to size, and they're also available in a really gorgeous brown color. I like that these boots are like a dressier option. You can wear them with dresses, but then they're also really cute casual with an outfit like this with like jeans and a cute flannel. But this color literally matches with everything, and they're like right around $20. The style and fit of this dress is absolutely stunning. I'm going to share a few ways that I love to style it. I love the feminine look to this. It has a kind of mock neck that's a little bit cinched up here. It makes it very fun and flirty. And then it does cinch around the wrist as well. It is double lined, so it's not see-through. It's slightly sheer on the arms, which I think just adds a little bit of detail to it. It's really beautiful. The tier design is really flattering. It cinches around the waist and then has that gorgeous tier design. So this dress comes in 3 other color options. It is available in sizes extra small through 2XL, and I did go with my true to size small, and it fits beautifully. I feel like this is just like a gorgeous, like mesmerizing dress. I went ahead and styled it with some little loafers, and I'm going to show a really great way that you could style this for work. I went ahead and threw on a white blazer on top, and I think this looks stunning, perfect for the office, great for business, professional, and just kind of dress it up a little bit. I still kept on the little loafers. You obviously could throw on a heel or a pump to dress it up a little bit more, but I feel like this just adds just a little bit of something. Also gives you an extra layer of warmth if your office is really chilly as well. Another way I personally love to style it is throwing it on with some knee-high Western boots. Western boots are all the trend this fall season, and this is a way that you could easily style it like slightly more casual, but again, this would even be a great like teacher outfit idea. I mean, there's so many ways to style this dress. It is just my absolute favorite. I know I'll get questions. These boots are actually from Target. They run true to size, super comfortable, and I love that they don't have a huge heel. They're very easy to walk in. This whole outfit ensemble I thought would be so perfect for Thanksgiving and or Christmas with just like the festive colors, and it's so comfortable. I know Thanksgiving dinner we like to wear comfortable, and this is that. So we'll first start off with this cardigan. I love the striped tones on this. I think all of the colors in this are so beautiful. I am wearing my true to size small, and I love the fit of it. So it's a longer cardigan, long enough to cover the bumps. This is really great to wear with leggings. You could throw on faux leather leggings with this, or a slim fitting jean. I have it paired with my favorite dark wash jeans from Walmart and this really cute kind of peplum tank, which I'll share in just a second. This is available in sizes extra small through 3XL and comes in multiple other color options. But is this not so perfect for like Thanksgiving? I love these color tones together. Also, this cardigan is under $20, which is, I feel like, such a steal. And then I just paired it with the little Western boots and this cute little quilted gold chain bag. I feel like just complemented with all of these warm fall tones. Here is a little bit of a closer look at that peplum top then. It comes in 2 other color options. I am wearing my true to size small. It's the perfect little layering piece to throw under a cardigan, a denim, or a faux suede jacket for the cooler months. It's this nice like ribbed fabric, so it's really comfortable against your skin. It's nice and stretchy. Love the scoop neck. This tank would also be really great to style with a lot of workwear pieces as well. I love this kind of red orangish tone though for the holidays. I feel like it's different than just like a tank top, and it kind of elevates the look, and wow, the material just feels really, really nice on it. And I don't know about you, but I love peplum tops. I feel like they're so flattering by the way they kind of like cinch at your waist and then flare out a little bit. And I love the color tones with these jeans, like so gorgeous together. I can barely contain my excitement over these leggings. So I have tried so many expensive looks for less for the Spanx Faux Leather leggings, and these are amazing. And they're just under $16. Like, I cannot get over it. They're a nice high-rise fit. They're super flattering. They like hug you and hold you in the right places. They're comfortable. They're easy pull-on style. And look at the material. Like, they look so similar to the actual Spanx leggings. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. But they even have that nice stitching down the side like the real ones do. And they're just so comfortable. And when you're in the light, they almost have that little bit of shine like the real Spanx ones do. They are available in sizes small through 3XL. I did go with my true to size small and they fit gorgeous. They don't bunch here. They're really comfortable. Oh my goodness, they're so good. And I love it paired with this cable knit chunky sweater, also from Walmart. This is like $16. I love this sweater. It's a great find. Has nice little side slits here. Comes in multiple color options. I just went with my true to size small on this, and it's just like a closet staple. I think everybody needs a few comfy like white sweaters to just throw on. And then I completed the look with some platform brown booties. Like, this is just like a go-to fall winter uniform that you look put together, but you're so comfortable in. Here's a little bit of a dressier, edgier way that you could style those $15 leggings. I really like this top from Walmart. It's that like almost linen blend, so it's really nice and breathable on your skin. I love the length on it. It's this nice stretchy like waistband here that hugs very nicely around the waistline and then cinches at your wrist. I think it's just so feminine and cute. Available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it comes in one other fun color option. I just love this leopard color, especially paired with black leggings like this, and then I paired on some black booties to just kind of complete the look, and I love it. But this top also works really great with like workwear options, like workwear pants, slacks. You could throw this on with jeans too for more of a casual look, but I just really like it paired with these faux leather leggings. Guys, these are a gem. These are gonna be like a fall winter closet staple, and with black booties it looks amazing as well. And I did go with my true to size small in this. If you wanted to fit more fitted, you could size down one. This is like the top of my dreams. This is going to be that top that you easily can style casually for the day or work and then carry into the evening. I just love this. This is quoted as an oversized asymmetrical top. Now it is more oversized as the description says. I'm wearing my true to size small, but I should have sized down to the extra small just because it does have a fair amount of extra room in it. I love the asymmetrical detail. It has like a slight little ruffle here. It has a nice neckline with a modest v-neck. It looks really nice with like a silver chain necklace underneath of it, and then sleeves that go about to your elbow, which I think is so beautiful. I got it in this gorgeous berry color, but it comes in 3 other color options, perfect for fall and winter, and it is available in sizes extra small through 2XL. And like I said, I got size small, which is my typical size, and I could have easily done the extra small. So if you're in between, size down one. This is just so beautiful. Like I said, great for pairing for work, but then also good taking out into the evening. I paired it with my favorite jeans from Walmart. If you are on a hunt for a good pair of skinny jeans for the fall and the winter, these are my absolute favorite. This is like my second year having them. They wash really well. They're amazing quality. They have a high rise fit, really flattering in the bum as well. They come in a few color washes. I just have the nice dark wash for the fall and the winter. They have a little bit of a frayed hemline, and I think it just kind of adds a little bit of texture to the look. I love it. And then I paired it with some platform little brown booties that I also can have linked up for you. But I like want to snag this in another color option and get the extra small because it is just so beautiful. This blouse is also like 98% cotton and just a little bit of spandex, so very nice and breathable. One of the big trends for this fall and winter season is faux leather, and I saw this skirt on Walmart for just under $15 and I was like, no way. And y'all, it is better than I even thought. It's this really nice stretchy material. It does have a zipper right here and a button closure, but I actually size up to a medium because this is the no boundaries line, which tends to run a little bit smaller, and it's a little bit big on me, so I was able to just pull it up. That's a big thing. Don't size up on this, just go with your true to size. Even though it's technically like junior sizing, just go with your true to size because this runs a little bit big and it's a nice stretchy fabric. It does have pockets here. I feel like the look on it is just incredible. I feel like it looks like it was like over a $50 skirt. It's available in black and also really pretty chocolate brown, which I think would be so fun and beautiful paired with lots of fall colors. The length is really great. I'm just under 5'9", and I feel like the length is very nice and modest. It's a nice high rise fit, and I love it paired with this Walmart sweater tucked into it. The neckline on this is so gorgeous. It's this really nice high quality sweater material. I think it's available in a few other colors. I love this gray and just the way that it like hugs you right here, but then also has like flowier arms. So I just feel like it looks so flattering and gorgeous. This sweater also looks stunning with jeans. It could be great for work, but for just under $15, you could style this for evenings out, girls' night, date night, just to have a look that's on trend. And I went ahead and paired it with some little black booties to complete the look, and I feel like this just looks so high-end, super classy. I love it. Just cannot get over the fact that this skirt is just under $15. I think this outfit is so fun and very on trend. This top is so cool looking. So it features a mock neck with like a mesh material almost. It comes with an attached cami. You can kind of see it's like slightly sheer on the arm, but I love the pattern. I feel like this looks so fun and cute paired into dark wash jeans. This is very comfortable on your skin. Like, I just think it's such a fun top. I am wearing my true to size small, and it is available in sizes extra small through 3XL. It's just like the perfect top to throw on with more neutral tones. So I just have it paired with these best-selling mom jeans, straight jeans, whatever you want to call it, on Walmart. Really nice quality. I love this denim color. I'm wearing my true to size 2. Functional pockets in the front and in the back. It's like a really nice flattering pair of straight jeans. For height reference, I'm just under 5'9", and they hit right around my ankle area, but they're very high-waisted. I like struggle to find straight jeans that I like, and I think these are my favorite that I found off of Walmart, which would make sense because they're a bestseller there right now. I do have it paired with this tote, also from Walmart. It's this nice quilted material with a chain detailing on it. I feel like the quality on it just looks very high-end, and then I just completed the look with some chain loafers. I think this would be a really great business casual work outfit too. All right, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the follow button because I try to find the best of Walmart for you so you don't have to spend time looking yourself. So with that being said, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, friends.